You giving baby a bath? Does baby like taking a bath? Oh my.
There we go.
Wow, she looks like she is getting so clean.
Yeah, baby's getting nice and clean. Whoa.
We turn the shower on. She did need a wash. There you go.
We're drying her off.
Yeah, you sure are, huh?
Alright, is it time for another bottle for baby?
Yep.
Is he hungry again? There it is.
We needed a
I need more milk.
Alright.
This gonna be a big one?
Can you fill it up for her?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no! Oh no! What did baby do? Why is she doing that?
Did she get milk poured on her head? Oh my goodness. He wants more.
Yeah, she didn't get much in her mouth last time, did she? Alright, let's fill up a big one. Go, go, go. Oh no! Oh no! Milk on my head!
Oh
no! Baby, that doesn't go there. Baby's being silly. You know what? I think baby needs another bath. She's got a lot of milk on her head, doesn't she? Let's lay her
Wow, this is getting noisy now.
Is this a whirlpool?
This is a noisy bath, huh?
Are you swimming in the bathtub with baby? Nope.
Be careful.
We gotta keep him in the bathtub.
Good job, Molly.
There you go.